52 people were taken into custody and a holiday has been declared for educational institutions on Thursday in Nagamangala in Karnataka's Mandya district following riots that broke out over allegations of stone pelting at a Ganpati immersion procession on Wednesday, as per Karnataka Home Minister G. Parameshwar. The minister further added, now everything is under control. We have arrested about 52 persons on both sides.
Ganesha procession, somebody has pelted stones on the procession, and in retaliation these people have also responded similarly, and now everything is under control. We have arrested about 52 persons on both the sides. They have lit fire and all that has been controlled. Nothing to worry now. Senior officers are camping there, and we have sent additional force. There should not be any further trouble.
So will you be visiting the spot, sir?
Director, he has gone there. Law and order, ADGP Law and Order has gone there.
Sir, how many are injured?
The full details have to get. Only they have said few injuries, few people have been injured. But how many and how serious, all that details I'll take.
So you have BJP now doing politics over it, saying that this was a pre-planned thing. The Congress government has never taken any step in advance.
No, we had placed KSRP platoon. All precautionary measures were taken. It is not that it was totally neglected or anything like that. But incident has happened. Yes, we will take all the measures, whatever is necessary.
So you had something to speak about PSI?
No serious injuries. According to what the first-hand report I got, no serious injuries. I mean, serious means somebody admitted to hospital and dying and those kind of things. There is no such thing. But I have to still get more reports.
BJP is saying Congress is doing politics of appeasement. That's why these things are happening.
It is not that question. It is not that we are trying to protect somebody. We are not trying to protect somebody. It is not like that. It is an incident which has happened, during the Ganesha festival.
So PSI recruitment thing, so you had some answers.
Yes. See, PSI recruitment has been fixed. 402 inspectors, sub-inspectors recruitment. We had fixed a calendar, 22nd September. At the same time, I was told that UPSC final exam also has been fixed. There was a clash. Students represented to me. Opposition people also represented to me. We discussed with our officers of the primary secondary education department, and now we have pushed it to 28th September, so that it will be helpful to them.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.